Did you know you can create a recurring invoices in Fynlo? You definitely can. Hi, I'm Liam, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. Click the shortcut in the upper right corner next to the notification bell and select Recurring Invoice to go directly to the Recurring Invoice section. Alternatively, you can access it by clicking Income in the left menu and then selecting Recurring Invoices. Locate the new recurring invoice and click on it. This will take you to Form. Let's locate and select your client under Client Name. In the Recurring Details section, choose the start date. Set the end date. Specify the due date. Select the invoice frequency and determine the day of the week the invoice will be issued. Under the item details, select the item to be invoiced. You will then be redirected to the previous screen with a note indicating that the entry has been saved. Thank you for completing this module. Feel free to reach us at any of these handles for further assistance. Fynlo, your partner in making your financial chaos into clarity.